In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find redstone ore in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. Redstone ore is one of the most useful resources in Minecraft. You need it for redstone dust, repeaters, comparators, pistons, rails, and many other builds and machines. The fastest way to find it is to prepare the right tool first, then mine at the best depth. Start by making sure you have an iron pickaxe or a better pickaxe. A stone or wooden pickaxe will not mine redstone ore correctly. If you use the wrong tool, the block will break and you will not get the redstone. An iron pickaxe is the minimum requirement, and anything stronger will also work. If you have torches, food, and a few extra blocks, bring those with you as well, so you can mine safely and stay underground longer. Once you are ready, begin digging down until you reach Y level -59. This is the level where redstone ore is most common, so it gives you the best chance of finding it quickly. As you dig down, avoid mining straight under your feet. Dig in a safe pattern so you do not fall into lava or a deep cave. A staircase or a 2-block shaft with a safe descent works well. When you reach Y-59, start exploring that level. You can search through natural caves if you find any nearby, since exposed stone walls often reveal ore more quickly than tunneling through solid blocks. Look carefully along the cave walls, ceilings, and floors for redstone ore. It appears as a stone block with glowing red flecks, and it can light up slightly when touched. If you do not see any caves, begin strip mining at Y-59. Mine long straight tunnels, then branch off to the sides to expose more blocks efficiently. This method helps you cover a large area and increases your chances of finding redstone ore without wasting durability or time. Keep your tunnel lit so hostile mobs do not spawn behind you, and stay alert for lava pools since they are common at deep levels. As you continue mining or exploring, collect any redstone ore you find with your iron pickaxe or better. Break each block carefully and gather the redstone dust it drops. If you have fortune on your pickaxe, you can get even more redstone from each ore block. That is the full process. Use an iron pickaxe, or better, go down to Y-59 and explore caves or strip mine until you find redstone ore. That covers everything you need to know.